welcome. In this video I'll show you how to fix Facebook account restricted from advertising. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, you need to go ahead and open up a web browser, okay? And then once it's open, go ahead over to facebook.com/business-support-home. Alright, just this one. Again, facebook.com/business-support-home, and then just log in with your Facebook account. Now, once you're in here, you'll be able to see account overview. You can go ahead and click on this drop down, select the business portfolio that is having the problem. Now, in this section, you'll be able to see when you go ahead and scroll down, you have recent account issues. So go ahead and select the business as well, and then in the outstanding section, go ahead and click on request review right here. Okay, go ahead and click on it, follow the basic prompts, and then after that, Facebook will review your account to see whether the restrictions should apply. And typically, Facebook reviews is completed in 48 hours, although it may take longer in some cases. So you just need to basically wait for it to be confirmed. All right, you'll have your resolved issues right here and outstanding account issues. So again, there are no technical steps that needs to be applied. Just follow support prompts from the outstanding tab. And that is how you fix Facebook account restricted from advertising. Sometimes it may need you to verify your identity. So go ahead and verify your identity. Just follow simple prompts from here. This video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.